Hey there, I'm your friendly digital guide. I'm here today to discuss a very popular topic: get rich with Bitcoin. Now, let me be clear from the start. There are no guaranteed ways to get rich quickly, including through Bitcoin. Investing, like any other financial activity, carries risks and uncertainties. It's important to remember that past performance is no guarantee of future results. Bitcoin, like any other cryptocurrency or investment, can go up or down in value quickly. So, it's essential to understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency. The best way to get rich is to have a long-term and diversified investment strategy. This means investing in various assets over time and taking advantage of compound interest over time. It also means understanding the risks and benefits associated with each investment option. So, while it's tempting to chase quick riches with Bitcoin or other investments, it's crucial to remember that patience and a well-thought-out plan are key. That's all for today's topic. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, always invest wisely and stay informed about your investments.